Hi guys, it's me again and my obsession of Zara. I know I just got some Zara pieces, but hey, we're here again. So I have another Zara haul. I don't know, I'm kind of like getting addicted to Zara, and I promise that this is gonna be my last. Who knows? So this is another Zara haul video, and I'm gonna do another try on as well. So I'll be showing you guys the pieces that I got. I mean, it's actually not a lot. So I'm gonna just show it to you guys, and then after like the showing part, then I'll do like the try on haul, which is super exciting. So I went there yesterday with my friend Amber, and it's her birthday today. And yeah, because I think she's gonna, I don't know if she watches my video, but she'll be how do you call it, it's her birthday today, and we have a surprise birthday to her. Her husband was like planning it, but I actually have already two like clothing that I'm gonna give her from Zara as well, and I'm just like, you know what, I think I need more. And then she's been telling me that she liked the bodysuit from Zara, so I'm just like, well, I was there with her at Zara because she was buying some other stuff as well, and I'm trying to hide the bodysuit that I'm gonna give her. So anyways, enough of the talking. I'm just gonna show you what I got. So first things first, I think this is in the Limitless Contour collection. This is the Bali crop top, long sleeve, and the quality, oh my goodness, this crop top is freaking amazing. I got the size medium to large, which is the price is $19.90. That's the price. Don't mind my nails for now. But I got this crop top. It's so nice. It's nude, and since it's fall, this would be like perfect. Don't think I have like a crop top long sleeve. I may or may not. So I got this color, and they also have the color khaki green, which I was gonna get, but they were like, I'm gonna try this first. But like I said a million of times, the fitting room is closed due to pandemic, and you know, so to try to put all the fitting rooms closed. So I was like, let me just try this on first, and hopefully if I like the fit and if I like how it looks on me, then maybe I'll probably just order online, or maybe not. So this is the first one that I got from Zara. It's very stretchy, like it's very like stretchy. So yeah, that's that. All right, the second one I got here is the another bodysuit. Shocking, right? I mean, it's not a shocker anymore. So I was shocked because they have this in color like sage green, or I don't know what color you guys will describe this, but it looked like sage green. And of course I got the size medium, and they were like $19 and also 90 cents. So I got this color, and I know I mentioned they have like lilac purple light color, and also like plain white. But then when I was there, I'm just like, wait, I was like literally passing, I'm just like, wait, they have it in green. So might as well got it because, you know, it's fall, and I kind of like this color. So I got the green, and it's just, you know, like your bodysuit, and I literally have everything except for like the white and the lilac. I may get them sooner or later, but no, you know, I don't know, maybe the white, but not the lilac. And also my gift from my friend is the bodysuit, which is, I already have this color. I'm gonna give this to her, which is the color, I would say nude, creamy light nude. So I'm gonna give this to my friend Amber. Of course I'm not gonna try this on because this is her gift. But yeah, if you haven't watched some of my Zara hauls, I will leave it on the description box below, or I'm gonna put the link somewhere here in the screen. And I also have, I'm gonna put like a playlist, like a Zara playlist, so if you guys are interested in that. So yeah, I do like quite more of Zara hauls now. I don't know, I'm kind of like, Zara will just like take my money at this point, sponsor me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is what I got for her, and I was asking her what's her size, and she said small. She said she wears small and also medium. I was like, okay, I got the small. I got her in a size small, and the same price, $19.90. So that's my gift. I have to wrap her gift because tonight after my class, I still have to go to like her surprise birthday party. All right, next up we got is this pants, this trouser. I don't know if how you call this, but it's a I don't know. I don't know how to call this, but it's like trouser pants. I already have this, you guys. In the color oyster something and the black one. And then this one is this color is brown. This is darker. And like I said, it's fall and I love the quality and I also love the fit of these pants. Like I was like, I'm just gonna get the other color because you can never have too many of these pants. So this is the pants that I got as well, and oh my god, it's so nice. And I got the size large again because I'm size large in these pants. They run a little bit like I run a little bit high in the pants for Zara, but yeah, this is the pants. And I saw some of you guys comment on my past Zara haul. You said that you have to rip the thing because I was complaining about there's no pocket. But how do you do it? Like I'm kind of scared to rip it off. Like I'm actually scared because here, see, there's like a pocket right in the back, and I'm gonna show you guys. So supposedly the pocket that I have to rip it off, but I'm kind of scared to do that. I mean, at this point, like I don't really, like I don't care anymore if there's no pocket or not. But yeah, I'm gonna try on my other pants, but not this one. Or maybe this one. I don't know, you guys, because I'm kind of scared to rip it off. Like I'm really scared to rip it off. So that's just the downtime of this pants. Like I should not have to rip the pants off just to get, the pocket. Like that doesn't make sense at all. But yeah, that's the pants. And then last but not the least is they call it leggings, but they look like the one of the Aritzia. I don't know if I'm kind of pronouncing their name right. Yeah, I saw a lot of, even in my Instagram feed, I saw a lot of people rock this, and also on TikTok, like they're rocking like the this type of pants. This is the high rise. They call it leggings high rise. Yeah, and the good thing about this leggings, it has a zipper. Let's see. Yeah, it has a zipper. So there's like a little detail. But if you don't want the little, slit thing going on, you can just like pull the zipper out. It looks very cute. And this is like my first time having this type of like pants because I normally don't see myself rocking this one, and then I don't know how to style them. But best believe I'm gonna try my best to style them, especially their high rise. So that's what I got, and I'm gonna do the try on now. Okay guys, that is all for today's haul. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye!